Hello, my name is Yossaphan Kaenwong. My student ID is 65364084. So, we will introduce the introduction of computer network. In the chapter 1, it has 4 parts. It have an overview of the Internet, protocol layering, Internet history, and standard and administration. So in the objective, we introduce local area network or LANs and wide area network or WANs, and show that the internet is a combination of these networks. We introduce the concept of protocol layering to show how the task to be done by the internet is divided by smaller tasks. We also discuss TCP/IP protocol suite and show the duty of each layer. We give a brief history of the internet. We introduce the administration of the internet and define the standard of the lifetime. In the 1.1 overview of the internet, we start our journey by first defining a network. We then show how we can connect networks to create small internetworks. Finally, we show the structure of the internet and open the gate to study the internet in the next 10 chapters. Network. The network is the interconnection of the set of the device capital of communication. In this definition, a device can be a host such as a large computer, desktop, laptop, workstation, cellular phone, or security system. A device in this definition can also be a connecting device such as a router, a switch, a modem that changes the form of data, and so on. Protocol layering. Ever we hear all the time when we talk about the internet is protocol. A protocol defines the rules that both the sender and receiver and all intermediate devices need to follow to be able to communicate effectively. When communication is simple, we may need only one simple protocol. When the communication is complex, we need a protocol at each layer or protocol layering. TCP/IP is the protocol used in the internet today. It is a hierarchical protocol made up of interactive modules, each of which provides a specific functionality. The term hierarchical means that each upper level protocol is supported by the service provided by one or more lower level protocols. The original TCP/IP protocol suite was defined by 4 software layers built upon the hardware. Today, however, TCP/IP is thought of that 5-layer model. The OSI model, established in 1947, ISO is a multinational body dedicated to worldwide agreement on international standards. An ISO standard that covers all aspects of network communications is the Open System Interconnection model. It was first introduced in the late 1970s. So the Internet history. Now that we have given an overview of the Internet and its protocol, let's start give a brief history of the Internet. This brief history makes it clear how Internet had evolved from private network to a global one in less than 40 years. Early history. There were some communication networks such as telegraph or telephone network before the 1960s. These networks were suitable for constant rate communication at a time, which means that after the connection was made between two users, the encoded message or voice could be exchanged. In 1972, remains safe and both can, both of whom were part of the core ARPANET group, collaborate on what they call the Interneting project. They want to link these similar networks so that the host on network could communicate with the host on another. There were many problems to overcome: diverse packet size, diverse interface, and diverse transmission rates, as well as differing reliable requirements. So the summary: the network is the set of devices connected by communication link. The Internet today is made up of many wide and local area networks joined by connecting devices and switching stations. Most end users who want internet connection use the service of the internet service provider. There is a backbone ISPs, regional ISPs, and local ISPs. A protocol is a set of rules that govern communication. In protocol layering, we need to follow two principles to provide bidirectional communication. First, each layer needs to perform two opposite tasks. Second, two objects under each layer at both sides should be identical. TCP/IP is a hierarchical protocol suite made of 5 layers: application, transport, network, data link, and physical. The history of the Internet working started as ARPA in the mid-1960s. The birth of the Internet can be associated with the work of Ch1 and the invention of a gateway to connect networks. The network administration has evolved with the Internet. We discussed ISOC, IAB, IETF, IRTF, ICANN, and NIC. A Internet standard is a three test specification. An Internet draft is a working document with no official status and 6-month lifetime. A draft may be published as a request for comments. RFCs go dot maturity levels and are categorized according to the requirement level. Thank you.